So now here, if I go down, we added an input function asking how many years he or she is expecting to use the solar cells, and then when he says the number of years, we basically this from here, from all this is basically graphing it's graphing a graph which shows two different lines on the same graph. One line showing the state that we were comparing to, and the state, and another line showing the state that we chose, and it shows how much in the amount of years the user chose, how much he would be saving and how much it would cost, and the difference. It will all be shown in the graph. Now if we go down, here is basically we made a matrix called results, which basically what this matrix is basically outputs the it outputs the results, the elements, the walls, the cost of panel, the roof in meters, the number of panels, and the final cost. So basically all the inputs that the user has inputted it, and the outputs it made, and we made it into one matrix. And then this is the menu function that I explained at the very beginning with the very first while loop. If it's yes, then the while loop will run again. We'll run the whole code again, comparing different states or comparing different elements. If no, the while loop will break, and the code will go to here, where this is basically saving the matrix in a CSV file, and then here is our outputs. So after it's been saved in the CSV file, we outputted it in the command window to let the user see what he chose and the outputs it created. And this is basically our whole code. Yep. Let me go to the algorithm sheet. As you can see here, this is our algorithm sheet that we made. The summary of the problem statement is the same problem statement that's in the MATLAB code. And as you can see here, these are the inputs that we used, and these are the outputs that we used as well. Here are other variables that we used, and this is our algorithm. Basically, this algorithm is what I just went through in the MATLAB code. Now let us go to the test cases.